They do say Kerry is the most beautiful county in Ireland, so we're definitely probably going to see that for ourselves over the next few days. Welcome back to the channel, guys.
And welcome to all the new people.
Yes, to the new people.
What it do?
So we have just arrived in Killarney in County Kerry, where we are going on a little road trip for the next couple of days.
Yeah, we are.
So we are very excited. We're just waiting to be able to check into our hotel. So we've stopped off in Killarney National Park at a beautiful castle called Ross Castle. And
it's right beside Lake Leane. And the funny thing about it is one of my best mates, his name is Russ, and his girlfriend's name is Leane.
There you go.
That's kind of funny, I think.
So there's your fact. So we're going to go check it out.
I'll let you go, just need some time. At your own pace, you need to find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me. You do not know what I have in mind. I packed our bags, we'll be on our way. The night was long as I waited without a sign. As I know what matters to you. But what do you want? What's your biggest need?
So the castle was built in the 15th century by a family who were kind of like ruled Killarney at the time. But it's like, it's still pretty intact, isn't it?
Majorly intact, yeah. Well, bar the roof, like the upper aspects of it are a little bit kind of ruined.
It's behind us there.
What?
I was just saying it's behind us there.
Oh, yeah. But the upper aspects is kind of ruined a bit, but the vast majority of downstairs is very, very much intact. Still see the cannons where they were firing out from. You have a lot of windows with the tiny slits outside and big ones inside.
Yeah.
So an awful lot of it.
But you can do tours of the castle itself. It's €5 for an adult. But we didn't do one. We kind of just walked around, took in the beauty of the surroundings, because when we got to the back of the castle, oh my god.
Wow.
Oh my god. The lake and the mountains that are like overlooking the lake. They do say Kerry is the most beautiful county in Ireland, so we're definitely probably going to see that for ourselves over the next few days. So the plan now is to go check into the hotel, and then we are going to head off and see a little bit more Killarney National Park. What you doing?
Going for a pee.
I'll leave you to it, huh? This is doing nicely, nice big bed. So we've just popped back in the car and we're going to cross to the other side of Lake Leane to Gap of Dunloe, which if you've seen photos of it before, you'll know how beautiful it is. So we've just arrived at the Gap of Dunloe. Haven't arrived at the actual like viewpoint yet, so still beautiful though.
About 3 miles up, your man said.
Yeah, there was a man trying to get us to do horse and cart rides. Like, I think it would be beautiful to sit in a horse and cart and get in the views, but how expensive. So
50 quid.
So yeah, we decided walk and get a bit of exercise instead. So the Gap of Dunloe separates the McGillicuddy Reeks on this side from the Purple Mountain on this side. And I don't know if you can see, but we can tell why they're called the Purple Mountains, because they look purple.
They are purple.
You can see it there. too.
What are you taking pictures of?
Oh. Look at that view behind us.
It's immense.
So we didn't walk the whole Gap of Dunloe just because it's 6 kilometres and it's starting to get dark. So we're probably going to drive around to the other side and do the lazy way and go and do the other side from Moll's Gap tomorrow. But we just stopped off at the first bridge across the water.
I don't think you need to go further.
Wow, it's amazing, absolutely amazing. And at the moment, like, the clouds are down really low over the, or like the mountain horizon, I suppose, if that's the way you want to put it. Pretty beautiful. Can see why a lot of people like coming here.
Also, we chose not to drive up because the sign said the traffic is primarily for business, residential, ponies, horse and trap and walking.
So many people are driving.
Everyone's driving up.
Oh well, getting their steps in for the day.
Traveling from the deep forest into the sun. In war, there's never an option to run.
Some people will look at this place and see garbage. I look at this place and see garbage with a good view.
He's lying though. He thinks it's beautiful. Hey buddy.
Unsure couple. Unsure.
I don't think he likes you.
Unsure couple. For anybody who has no idea what I was just saying there, I was saying here horse in Irish. Unsure couple, unsure.
Well, we did like, that's their direct translation, but we don't know if that actually...
I don't know if that's actually what it means, but I know what the two words are, so I'm going with that.
Fair. Well done.
Hope it's right.
Now we are going to head and do more of Killarney National Park.
Lee, what you do?
Sat down in the mud.